All right, let's look at the homework 3.1, problem number 5. All right, so we have g of x is equal to quantity x minus 7 to the 2/3 power, and we want to find the critical numbers. All right, so let's do that. All right, so we're going to find the derivative. G prime of x is equal to, so this is a general power rule, so put the 2/3 in front. Keep the inside expression as it is, so quantity x minus 7. Subtract 1 from the power, so it's a negative 1/3. And then multiply by derivative inside, which is actually going to be just 1, so I'm not going to even write that. All right, then we can rewrite this guy as, right, 2 lives upstairs, right, and 3 lives downstairs. So x minus 7 is going to live downstairs because of the negative power. So you have x minus 7, right? Then 1/3 power is cube root. So I'm going to write the cube root here. So I'm going to put 3 there, cube root, right? As you can see that the numerator is 2. So this guy is actually never equal to 0, right? But when x equals 7, the denominator becomes 0. So we know that the g prime of 7 is undefined, right? Which means that x equals 7 is a critical number, right? Right, so let's type it in. So x equals 7 is a critical number. So let's go ahead and check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got the critical number correctly. All right, so we're going to find the open intervals of increasing and decreasing. All right, so here, so let's do a number line here. So we're going to have a number line here. And the only critical number we have is 7. So I just put tick marks for 7. All right, so let's try anything smaller than 7. So I'm going to do f prime of, like 0 if you want. All right, so you have, if you look at here, so it's a 0 minus 7. So then take the square root as a cube root. A cube root of negative 7 is negative. Everything else is positive, so this is going to be negative, right? And if you try anything bigger than 7, so I'll try 8, right? 8 minus 7 is positive. Everything is positive, so derivative is positive. Right? Sorry, I have to use G. It's not F, sorry. So I have to change that to G here. All right. So we know that the original function F, sorry, I keep on saying F, G is going to be, say, so derivative's negative here, it's decreasing before 7 and increasing after 7. All right, so let's put that. All right, increasing after 7, so you have a 7 to infinity. All right, and decreasing before 7, so it's a negative infinity to 7. All right, let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got these guys correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.